Annyeonghaseyo, Anami.
안녕하세요.
So, Anami, last live or last event, you failed the multiplication test. And you need to write how many times of multiplication?
30 times.
Okay, 30 times. So, mauna yung magikuptan. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so this is what she wrote. Okay. So, kani siya, 30 ni kabuok. Okay. So, ready na ka? Okay, so let's start. 4, 8.
32.
3, 7.
21.
6, 4.
24.
7, 2.
14.
9, 8.
72.
6, 3.
18.
9, 6.
54.
7, 8.
56.
3, 9.
27.
9, 2.
18.
Okay, very good. So, you passed the multiplication test. So, next time ha, mag-study. Nakasabot? Okay, bye-bye.